Going out by special request to none other than Mr. Alex Custis. I can't do any more fish tanks because Lauren would get mad, so I'm making some char sui pork. And there we go. 3 massive chunks of pork ready to go in the oven. We've got some water steaming in the bottom there, just to keep it nice and moist. And in we go, 180 degrees for 40 minutes, more or less. With all that extra delicious sauce that the pork has been marinating in, I'm just gonna boil it down, get it nice and thick. I've got 40 minutes for this thing to cook. I'm gonna baste it every 10 minutes on each side. So I thought, might as well get a quick workout in. I marinated the pork for 36 hours using a recipe I found online. The only change I made was I tripled the 5 spice to give it a bit of an extra kick. 10 minutes down, time to baste. We're at 20 minutes, so we're halfway there. Time to flip it around, turn it around. Don't tell Lauren. Final reduction of the sauce to put on the final and last glaze. And there we go, final check, 145 Fahrenheit or about 62, 63 Celsius. Let's let this baby rest. The char sui is ready. It's been resting for about 10 minutes now, looking nice and gorgeous. I cannot wait for the rice to finish cooking. I need to eat some of this right now. Char sui spring rolls. Rice is finally done. Time for round 2.